this was the most collaborative birth seen in any mammal, perhaps except humans, ever. I'm David Gruber. I'm a marine biologist, a research associate at the American Museum of Natural History, and the president and founder of Project SETI, the Cetacean Translation Initiative. We are listening to whales. Their primary mode of communication is sound. Humans don't know that much about whale societies, and we're working in the Eastern Caribbean off the coast of Dominica. What's very special about this area, it's like a volcano, and the water gets very deep off the coast. This particular day, we're doing our normal work. We go out in the morning, we listen for the whales, we find the whales, and we record them. And then all of a sudden, 11 whales surface. They were forming a rosette formation where they're all facing inward. Suddenly, we see a gush of blood in the center, which looked like it could have been a shark attack. But then all of a sudden, bloop, a little head emerges. And we suddenly realized that we were watching a sperm whale birth. When the baby came out, the fluke was still folded. The baby was not able to swim, and it was kind of slithering around at the surface like a snake. We watched as the whales worked in dyads, in 2 by 2, across kin and non-kin lines that worked to hold the baby above water for several hours until it could swim properly. Also, other cetaceans came in, and there was pilot whales and Fraser dolphins. In the middle of this sperm whale birth, it was like a cornucopia of cetacean activity, with the sperm whales in the center holding the baby and these other whales there. We use complex network science, showing that this was the most collaborative birth seen in any mammal, perhaps except humans, ever. It really shifts the narrative on cetaceans and whales. This is Moby Dick, the Leviathan, the killer. And today we're finding that this is one of the most empathetic, caring, community-oriented species on our planet. What exactly were the pilot whales and the Fraser dolphins doing there that day? We still don't know, but that is our next step.